Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to change this one into dy over dx. Next, we need to multiply both sides by dx. Next, I will put this one go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s squared. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to 2s dx. This one that is about u. 2s dx we change by the u. The integration of this one we have e to the power of u, and I will put about c. About u that is about s squared. So the integration of this one that is about this one. So I will put this one gone here. The integration of y to the power of 3. We have y to the power of 4 over 4. The next one, y squared over number 2. So number 2 and number 2 we cancel. This is the end. Thank you for watching.